So I think Cantik Wall dia punya level of professionalism I think sangat tinggi. Okay, so saya dan isteri decided to go with Cantik Wall. So based on the previous work done yang kami tengoklah dekat Facebook, dekat Instagram, dekat website Cantik Wall sendiri, dan nampak based on feedback from the previous clients, nampak memang semua pun happy dengan hasil kerja Cantik Wall. So based on that, kita quite confident lah bila kita nak engage Cantik Wall to help us with our house punya renovation works. So I think Cantik Wall dia punya level of professionalism I think sangat tinggi. So itu antara benda yang I boleh cakap paling puas hati lah, sebab based on our experience, the communication dengan the team, the feedback, kalau kita ada any comment, the action taken by the team tu is very quick. So kita pun rasa very open to share kita punya comment. So daripada proses awal sampai ke akhir, so mula-mula bila kita duduk and discuss and try to see what will be the best design for the house pun, I think the team always keep an open communication dengan my wife and I. So both of us rasa senang lah nak berkomunikasi dengan the team, and the fact that everything is done through WhatsApp group pun keep everyone updated. So especially untuk kami yang macam terpaksa buat kerja-kerja ni daripada jauh, so memang sangat membantulah bila ada this constant communication dengan the team without having to visit the site every day.